Begin with neck movement. Take your head towards right and then take your head towards left. Keep stretching side to side. You can then do up and down. So we are going to start with regular 2 Surya Namaskars, then we'll do a variation. We'll also do Ashtang A and we'll be learning Ashtang B sun salutations today. Do some circles clockwise. Ashtang B is a very effective and intense practice. So we'll try to do 4 rounds today. If you are a beginner, you can just try and do 1 or 2 rounds. Let's warm up our wrist, make a fist and do clockwise. Make sure you do at least 6 and do it anti-clockwise. Use your left hand and pull your palm towards you, fingers towards you, and left hand. Let's kick. Some knee movement for your right leg and then left leg. Before we start with sun salutation, let's open up our body. So stand with your legs hip width apart. Take a deep inhale and exhale. One more deep breath in, breathe out. Breathing in, take both the hands up. You can do a Namaste pose, biceps touching your ears, push your chest forward, back straight, pull your stomach in. Make sure your hands are touching your ears, elbows straight. Lift up your chest. Just feel that stretch like we do in our first stage of Surya Namaskar. Now we are going to bend towards the side. So Konasana, making sure you are not bending forward. Turn your chest towards the ceiling. See if you can look towards the ceiling from under your hand. When you are bending towards your right side, your body is in a line and your fingers are pointing to the corner of the wall. Come back to the center, bend towards your left. Are you leaning forward? Push back. If you are leaning forward, it will be easy. If you are in straight line, that's when you'll feel it. Deep inhale, exhale, come down. And ready for sun salutations. Come to the top of your mat, press your hands together, regular. Breathe in, hands go up, breathe out, head to knee. Take your right leg back, push your pelvis down. Right knee is straight. Take your left leg back, body in plank. From here, drop your knees, stretch back. Come forward for Ashtang Namaskar. Chin, chest, knees and toes. Breathing in, up in cobra, elbows touching your body. Breathing out, back in down dog. So hold for 5 seconds. Push your chest towards your thighs. Keep stretching more and more. Breathe in, out. Knees are straight as possible. Breathe in, out. Right leg forward. Straighten that left knee. Pelvis down, hip down. Left leg forward. Crown of your head is facing the ground. Breathing in, hands up. Breathing out, Namaste. Second round. 1, 2, come down. Left leg back, right leg back. Drop your knees. Ashtang Namaskar. Up in cobra, back in down dog. Left leg forward, right leg forward. Breathing in, hands up. Breathe out, Namaste. Breathe in, third round with variation. Hands up. Breathe out, head to knee. Take your right leg back. Now here you'll drop your right knee, release your toes, relax your toes and lift both the hands up. So main thing to do here is you have to lift your heart up towards the sky and reach your hands. Spread your fingers, elbows straight. Try to lift your upper body as if somebody is pulling you up. And once you're done that, try to push your hip down. Bring your body weight forward. Come down, tuck your toe, lift your knee, take your left leg back. Drop your knees, come in Ashtanga Namaskar. Breathe in up in Cobra. So this is just practice for our Ashtanga B. So make sure you're doing it properly. Go back in Down Dog. I'm sure you're doing it correct. Just listen to the instructions carefully. Knees are straight. Take your left leg forward in between your hands. Push your pelvis down. Once again, we'll do it on the right side. Drop your right knee. Breathing in, lift your upper body up. Hands straight, elbows straight. Try to arch your back this time little bit. Push your chest forward. See if you can look little bit to the corner of the wall. Breathe out, come down. Lift your knee. Bring your legs forward. Head to knee. Breathing in, hands up. Breathe out, Namaste. Fourth round. Breathe in, hands up. Breathe out, head to knee. Left leg goes back. Now drop your left knee. Breathe in, upper body up. Stretch up as much as you can. Pull your stomach in, lift your chest. Breathe out. Lift your knee, take your right leg back. Drop your knees, stretch back, come forward, Ashtanga Namaskar, breathe in, come up. Breathe out, back in Down Dog. Take your left leg forward. Drop your right knee. See if you can release your toes and lift your upper body up. Pull up more, pull your stomach in. Bring your hands down, lift your knee. Take your right leg forward. Head to knee, breathing in, hands up, breathing out, Namaste. So these were our regular sun salutations with variation. Just make sure you take 2-3 deep inhale. Then we'll go ahead with Ashtanga A. Breathe in, hands up, breathe out, down. Breathe in, look straight, breathe out, jump back. Those who want can do half chaturanga. Those who can will do full chaturanga. Drop your knees, breathing in, up. Breathe out, Down Dog. Look forward, jump forward. Look straight, head to knee. Breathe in, hands up. Breathe out, Namaste. Second round. Continue at your own speed, making sure you coordinate your breath. We'll do 2 more rounds, third round. Just this is a warm up for our body because after this we are moving to Ashtanga B sun salutations. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy them. So before that, just warm up with A. Finish this round. After that we are going to do 10 deep breaths. So come up. Let's oxygenate our body before we move into Ashtanga B. Breathe in 1. Breathe in 2. Breathe in 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now for first round you can just watch and then we'll do it together. Just observe each and every posture before you do it, so you'll get it right. So for first round, we are going to start by keeping our legs shoulder width apart, some gap between our legs, and then Utkatasana, breathing in chair pose. Push your hip back, bend your knees, lift your chest up, hands straight. Breathe out, go down. Head to knee, knees are straight. Breathe in, look straight. Breathe out, jump back. Body in plank pose. Now same like Ashtanga A, Chaturanga. Those who can do will do full. Those who want can do half. From Chaturanga directly upward facing dog. So now observe how the upward facing dog goes. You go down in Chaturanga, chest is close to the mat, and then you raise up. You don't bring your hips down. Release your toes, your thighs and your knees are off the floor. Push your chest forward and gently, if you can, look up. Press your hands into the mat. You're lifting your body. Tuck your toes, go back in down dog. Now stretch completely and then lift your right leg up. Toes pointing towards the ceiling as much as you can. It's okay if it is not coming up completely. Just lift it, swing it forward in between your hands. Drop your left heel on the floor and get ready to come up. This is warrior 1. Breathing in, both the hands will come up. Bend your right knee completely, hips facing forward. Lift your upper body. Slowly bring your hands down. Take your right leg back. Once again, do Chaturanga. Lift up. Go back in down dog. Either you can do full Chaturanga or you can do half, depending on how strong you are feeling your upper body. Push back in down dog. Take your left leg up this time. When you swing it forward, make sure your foot is in between your hands, not behind, between your hands. Drop your right heel, lift your upper body. Your left thigh is parallel. Come down, little bit more down. Lift your upper body, deep inhale, breathe out, hands down, take your left leg back. Once again, Chaturanga. Up in upward dog. Tuck your toes back in downward facing. Now downward facing is a resting pose here. So each time we finish one round, we'll stay here for 3-4 breaths. Ready to jump forward. Look straight in front of you. Take your head close to your knees, straighten those knees. Once again, when you are coming up, you come up in chair pose. Breathing in, bend both the knees, hips back, hands up. Breathing out, Namaste. So that was one round. We are doing many things while we do Ashtanga B. It might look a bit complex, but it is very simple. Just listen to the instructions and I'm sure you are going to do it well. So let's begin. Let's do 3 more rounds together. Do a Namaste and coordinate your breath. Each posture 3 breaths. I'll give you a count. Breathe accordingly. Legs hip width apart. Breathing in, take both the hands up. 2, 3. Breathe out, head to knee. Breathe in, 1, 2, 3. Look straight, 1, 2, 3. Jump back, So this 1, 2, 3 count is your breath count. Don't forget to breathe. Chaturanga, up and upward facing dog. 1, 2, 3. Back in down dog. Take your right leg up. Swing it forward. Place it in between your hands. Now drop your left heel. Breathing in, hands up. 2, 3. Come down. Take your right leg back. Chaturanga. Upward facing. Back in down dog. Left leg up. In between your hands. Drop your right heel. Both the hands come up. Breathe in 1. Breathe in 2. Breathe in 3. Hips are facing forward and then come down. Take your left leg back. Once again, Chaturanga. Up in upward facing. Back in down dog. Now relax here. 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Excellent. Get ready to jump forward. Look straight. Head to knee. Up in Utkatasana. Breathe in 1, 2, 3. And namaste. Relax your breath, relax your body. We'll try to do 2 more. By now your heartbeat must be fast. Minimum 3 breaths in each posture. Take your hands up. 1, 2, 3. Head to knee. 1, 2, 3. Look straight. 1, 2, 3. Jump back. Ready for Chaturanga? Chest in between your hands. Upward dog. 1, 2, 3. Downward facing. Right leg up. In between your hands. Left heel on the ground. Bring your hands up. 1, 2, 3. Take your right leg back. Down in Chaturanga. Up in upward facing. Back in down dog. Left leg goes up. In between your hands. Drop your right heel. Come up. 1, 2, 3. Bring both the hands down. Take your leg back. Down in Chaturanga. Up in upward facing. Back in down dog. Hold for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jump forward. Look straight. Head to knee. And chair pose. Come up in chair pose. Relax. Namaste. One last round. How is it going for you? I'm sure you are doing it very, very well. So before moving to last round, we'll just take 2-3 deep inhale. Relax your breath, relax your body, and giving our 100% this time. Just enjoy each and every moment. The more you breathe, more energy you will feel in your body. Breathing in, hands up, chair pose. 1 2 3. Come down, head to knee. 1 2 3. Look straight and jump back. Down chaturanga, up, upward facing. 1 2 3. Tuck your toes back in downward. Lift your right leg, bring it forward, drop your left heel and come up. 1 2 3. Take your right leg back, chaturanga, up and upward. 1 2. Push back in down dog. Repeat on the left side. Left leg goes up, forward, drop your right heel, take both the hands up. 1 2 3. Bring your hands down, take your left leg back. Once again down in chaturanga, up, upward facing. 1 2 3. And rest in down dog. Knees straight, push your chest towards your thighs. 1 2 3 4 5. Just feel a deep stretch there, and then you can slowly drop your knees. Come down and sit. Rest in child's pose. Relax your body, relax your breath, and relax your mind. Just observe what is happening. We are going to do 3 rounds of Bhastrika, 20 breaths each. So you can lift your head and come up, sit in Vajrasana. Make a fist near your shoulder. First breathe in and empty your lungs completely. Now for Bhastrika, we'll do it together. Breathe in, out, in, 2. And relax. Keep your hands on your lap. Keep your eyes closed and observe how the energy rises up in your body. Just relax your breath. And let's do second round. Make a fist. Breathe in. Empty your lungs completely. For Bhastrika, breathe in, out, in, 2 3 4. Relax. Make sure your eyes are closed. That's when you'll start feeling the energy as it rises up from the base of your spine up till your chest. Last round, make a fist. Breathe in and breathe out. Completely empty your lungs. For Bhastrika, breathe in, out. 2, 3. Keeping your eyes closed, come out and sit in Sukhasana. Just relax your body, relax your breath, and sit still for some time. Just listen to the chants, and as if you're bathing in these chants, getting soaked from your head up till your toes. Relax more and more. As the chant starts flowing from your head to your face, to your shoulders, to your chest and stomach. And towards your legs. As if you're bathing, taking a shower under these chants. Let them just flow on your body, inside your body. You may stretch your legs and lie down in Shavasana.